What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen. Today I got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. We're gonna be talking about my top 3 favorite features that I've seen on this new generation Toyota Tundra. So if you're like me, you've been watching every single video that has came out to this day about that new Tundra. I'm super stoked, super excited. I can't afford it, but I still really like it. So please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. Maybe one day, you will make it possible for me to own it. But nonetheless, today we're talking about the top 3 favorite features. Let's go over them. So without further ado, this is gonna be one of the first videos I've ever made without airplanes, people driving by at like 200 miles an hour without an exhaust. I hope it makes it easier to watch. I literally can't stop smiling just thinking about this next generation Tundra. It has so many things, I don't even know where to begin, but I definitely know my top 3 favorites. Starting with number 1, I think this has to be everyone's number 1. The new way to open the tailgate is absolutely genius. The big 3, they all have their gimmicks, their features on how they open their tailgates, how their tailgates have some cool features. I don't think there's one that I think is dumb or not useful, but Toyota hit the nail right on the head. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a super cool button on the driver's side. It's on the tail light. It's built into the tail light assembly. You can walk up to it, tap it, something unfortunately the Tacoma doesn't have. You can walk up to it, tap it, it opens the tailgate. So this is what I mean. It's perfect on beach trips when you're out and you're carrying all this stuff. You have to put it down, right? And then you feel all the blood coming back to your hands. And then you have to open the tailgate and then you have to lift it back up. So now being able to walk up to the truck, just tap it with my elbow and just put it in. Very, very well done, Toyota. Very well done. It's super cool. I have no problem with it. I think it'll work. I hope that it's sensitive enough, not too sensitive. I hope it's big enough, not too big. It looks like it's just perfect, a little bit too snug, like maybe your elbow won't reach it if you have like wider elbows. We'll see, we'll see. Number 2, when I think about it, I get super excited. I don't know. Boy, that Highlander was moving. The new infotainment system, 14 inches of pure awesomeness, first off. Second off, the new dashboard. The new dashboard is insane. 12 inches on the higher trims. It looks very, very nice. It looks very well made. It looks very high resolutions. Of course, until you see it in person, you know, that's when it kicks in. But it looks a little bit complicated. That's why I'm a little bit on the fence. Do you like the more analog looking features, or are you into the more digital space age, I guess you could say, of this new Tundra? I don't know, I'm in between both. I really like having my analog speedometer, but at the same time, maybe we can adapt to the changes. Whoa, you're gonna see it right here. Check out this C8. Check out this C8. Dang. If I had a choice, right now I'm still going analog, but it's cool to have the option. Some people are really into that, and that will get us more buyers, meaning the Tundra will not die and, you know, get put on a shelf. So I'm all for it in that case. But me personally, I would rather have the analog version. I don't know, I think it's something super cool. It shows Toyota is trying to keep up. Number 3, my favorite, okay? I usually don't do this, like 1 is cool, 2 is cooler, and 3 is the best. Number 3 is the best, the engine. The engine is awesome. I don't know how durable it is. I don't know how reliable it is. I don't know what kind of gas you need to put in it for it to be this way. I'm gonna link the video down below because I don't want my video to get taken down by YouTube. Check out the video in the description. There's already test drives going on. They don't give you this full numbers, whatever the case may be, but they give you quite a bit of information. So check it out, watch the video. The tires squeal on the takeoff. Seems like the guy was a little bit nervous at first, but then when he gave it the beans, you could hear the back end start chirping, which is sick. The reason I'm saying this, and I know people are gonna be like, oh, the 5.7 can do that. The reason I bring it up is because it actually can move. Like, I thought it was gonna be sluggish, I thought it was gonna be slow. I didn't think it was gonna be able to keep up like the V8 did. The V8, you put your foot down, and I mean, you have this scary roar of power behind you. So super cool to see that the V6 is, you know, is putting up a fight. Thank you, Toyota, for not letting us down completely. And that's just the 3.6 twin turbo. That's not even the hybrid that's gonna have like 100 more torque. So I'm super excited. Let me know what you guys think. What are your guys' favorite features as of now? Those for me have to be the top 3. If I could take any of those 3 and stuff them into the Tacoma, obviously I'm going with the, you know, stronger, faster engine, but that tailgate mod is awesome. And then just to think a bigger screen in the Tacoma, all 3. I mean, I'm taking all 3 if I can. If I can, come on Toyota. Some people hate it still, some people love it. I'm crazy for it. I absolutely love it. As long as the engine is reliable and it doesn't fail us completely, we should be fine, right? I think that's the only thing that people dislike. The turbos, it gives us uncertainty. Also the body style, I get it, does look a little bit like other companies, but you can't do much there. Eventually someone's gonna look like you or you're gonna look like someone else. Toyota did a great job. I'm super stoked. Let me know down below, what are your 3 favorite features of this new Toyota Tundra? I'm super excited, I'm super interested. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy, I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.